Dinaki, this was the Czech that bought Alaska from the Russian Emperor in 1867. To collect funds through organized charity activities, the first step is to register with the Alaska Department of Law Consumer Protection Unit in Anchorage. NOAA Office of Law Enforcement manages compliance of marine sanctuary and ecological regulations, while the Maritime Administration offers grants for industries such as building or buying plastic and metal, collecting recycling ships such as Ocean Phoenix 360 and the Ocean Cleanup Systems. The Magnuson-Stevens Act from 1976 prevents overfishing, while the Animal Welfare Act ensures that we properly care for all animals enforced by the Department of Agriculture Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service. Much of this debris is intentionally dumped in violation of the Ocean Dumping Act governed by the United States Environmental Protection Agency, but rarely is someone punished, so our wild and marine life is taking it upon themselves to commit suicide by consuming the toxic waste. Although this is also from lack of other food due to overfishing and not enough habitat restoration efforts. World Wildlife Fund in Switzerland advocates that 330,000 whales have been killed after the international whaling ban, and that would be from 1986 to 2014. Japan, Iceland, and Norway still violate international maritime law to this date. Only 30 female Pacific gray whales remain, and only a total of 2,300 blue whale. The ones they kill the most are the minks and the belugas, which eliminates the chances for the orcas to survive because that's their food. The enforcement of environmental and marine life laws include ending hunting and limiting fishing, while expanding recovery is imperative in making the Blue Deal a success. Canada, Greenland, and Faroe Islands did the most whale hunting, followed by Norway, Japan, America, Russia, Iceland, South Korea, and Indonesia. So bring the most of the trash into the sea, which collects enormous trash islands and float into wetlands, where the rivers meet the ocean along with other pollution. Glaciers are melting, with toxins being released into wildlife wetlands, killing herds of wild animals. The Government Accountability Office did find 12 cruise ships in 2008, which are now implementing recycling programs where they compact their trash and bring it back with them to the port after the cruise. The Bureau of Safety and Environmental Enforcement is in charge of protecting the nearly 2 billion acres of the continental shelf with the help of Title 30. EPA partners with the park estuaries, wetlands to collect particle accumulations and restore the deteriorated habitats. The EPA partners with Army Corps, District 2 Coast Guards for removing hazardous materials. Because many nations intersect in the deep sea trillion-dollar industry, the recovery from trash islands have not been appointed to a particular industry and requires several billions of dollars for a recovery plan through collaboration with agencies and other non-profits. The Federal Pollution Response Authorities are the funding partners and include the Comprehensive Environmental Response Compensation and Liability Act, the Clean Water Act, the National Oil and Hazardous Substances Pollution Contingency Plan. As far as the world's coral reefs are concerned, over 20% of them have been permanently destroyed without prospects for recovery. The United Nations Environment Program estimates the cumulative of poor ocean management practices is at least $200 billion per year. Many other groups have joined in the recovery of our Earth, Earth Justice, Ocean Conservancy, Surfrider Oceana, Sea Shepherd, Greenpeace, Earth Force, Take 3, The Five Gyres, Oceanic Preservation Society, Sierra Club, Environmental Defense Fund, Ricoberry Dolphin Project, Bahamas Plastic Movement, Blue Frontier Campaign, and there are many other Blue Deal collaborators. If we started right now to seriously remove all pollution from the ocean, it would only cost us maybe 50 billion to get going, but it will cost us several hundreds of billions more the longer we wait. Thank you all the other groups for helping. This message was brought to you by the Blue Deal, University of Alaska Fairbanks Technical Writing Group. Thank you.